Hi Eagle fans, here we have a bald eagle sitting in the tree in front of me in center frame. So I'm going to zoom in a little bit on this, so bear with me. Once you get to 20 zoom, it's real hard to hold the camera still. But there's a bald eagle there. It's a juvenile. So here we are again for all the eagle watchers out there in YouTube land. Here is something. I'm going to zoom in and we're going to see an eagle. It's a juvenile bald eagle sitting in this tree over here. So right now we're around 20 times zoom in. It's real hard to hold the camera steady, so it's going to be a little shaky. And I'm going to zoom back out again. And over here, I had to find it first, is another eagle sitting in the tree right here. And if I can find it, there's one sitting over here. I'm going to go back up again. I'm lost track of where the tree tops are. That's what I was gauging everything by. Oh, there it is. Sitting right there. You can see the white head on it in the center frame right there. So there's another eagle sitting right there. I'm going to zoom out so you can get a better view of the landscape that we're at. So that hill over there is where the Winnebago River flows through. I'll give you a little shot of how things are. I'll zoom out a little bit more so it's a little less jerky. Thank you for being patient with me. So today our quest is to find as many eagles as we can and as many trumpeter swans